Okay. All right. um, wow, strange things with OBS. All right, so I'm gonna go over my pre-market levels, or I'm gonna try to find levels. We had news came out, and price has just been moving up. We're at a level that is set for me to check the daily Heikin-Ashi level to see what to make of it. Probably looking for price to bounce here or halt and then reverse. I think that's what I was trying to do. I don't have any notes there. So let's see what kind of trend we got going um, with this one. So kind of tough to really. Probably wouldn't use that. I probably would use the one on the inside, which is just as worse. Okay, so it's kind of hard to really gauge this. This looked like it was a clean trend. The price broke above it. So what do I make of this? Is the question. Broke above it very nicely, but the volume has been very low. We're buying, but the volume is low buying volume, and there's none on the daily. So not sure how long this thing can sustain. I'm probably gonna look for a short around here. Let me expand this out. Expand this one. So, but I have to say that we're continuously on an uptrend. Uptrend. This looked like it was something meaningful. We're in an uptrend still. All right, so 4 hour. Zoom out. Look like we're kind of bouncing off of that level. Looks like we're trying to. There's no volume here. And this closes at 9. So in about 4 minutes, it closes. No volume. Low volume. No volume. See, this one has volume. This is the 9 o'clock one that closed. This one closes at 9 also. So it looks like the 1 o'clock ones may not have any volume behind them. So we'll see if price will find a way to dump itself. Maybe move in another 20 more points. Alright, so daily we have a volume lower than this, and definitely lower than this. Alright, so just looking to see how I can capitalize on this price action. Now we had volume here, but this was the volume mover. So maybe from here to here would be my theory. It's about a 10-point move. 12. Alright, so trying to see if price can come back down to here. See if we can reject this area nicely. We had some volume there, so can bring it up even higher. Let's bring it up to 5489.5. 5489.5. So that will be my level based off the volume, not based off Heikin-Ashi. We can look at it from the Heikin-Ashi's perspective and see what we got. and looks just like how I needed it to be. I definitely would like price to be coming down here, but sometimes we won't get that. We did get a bounce here on that one, but now that we broke above, I need to look at the sell. Right, yeah, so this was the sell. We broke above it, and we're above it now. This was my buy area. I really was hoping we'd come down to this, but we respected it. Now we're up to here, so zoom out. Look like we're trying to respect it. Volume came in, but not strong enough. 1 minute. Have this. That's 11,000. Looks like we capped at here. So I'll also mark this. Go. Alright, so that's basically it for that. Get rid of value area here. Let's see where we are based off of value area, high and low. Price look like it held. Okay, feels good actually doing a video as opposed to like price acting up and not giving me the opportunity to make a video like it did yesterday on price the app acting up. Okay, all right, so that's that. Let's do NQ. Okay, let's get rid of that. Volume here is very strong. Very, very strong. Mark the whole thing. And 1 minute was So we're holding that area. So I basically have my levels. Like I said, we had 8:30 news that came out that pushed price up. We have a 9:15 news and 10 o'clock and 10:30. So yeah, I can close these out. And let's see how price is reacting around the other levels. Well, that's taking time to load. I will come back to it. I'll let it figure itself out. Okay. All right. Yeah, August 5th was the highest volume. Volume has since died out and price been moving up. We're up 53 points from the close. That's what it says. Yep, went up 60. Yeah. So, yikes. Alright, so that's basically. I'm not gonna do settlement price. Then last but not least is ADR, and see where we are with those levels. Okay. Just not loading. There's my computer. Not sure what's going on with the PCs. This it's like we're just struggling to just show anything. Am I still recording? Okay, it's just still recording. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, so we're going to that level here, 5533.5. But we didn't strongly reject. So I'll keep that there like that. And let's check out NQ if we can, if it'll ever load. Oh, okay, I went to the other computer. That's fine. You're acting slow anyways. Alright. And this one is 19,387. 19,387. Okay, so basically So just waiting for price to give me something to react to. Alright, so that's it for me for today. I will be back in the evening to see if I take a trade or not. I'm not going to force anything, and I'm going to take my time. All right.